You mean like the my snacks? My nothing?
Yeah, toxic chemicals are everywhere. But when we uncover your secrets, their dangers, and how to stay safe. Sure. So, fasten your seatbelts, grab your gas mask.
Not literally. And get ready for an explosive, exciting discussion on toxic chemicals.
Wait, we talk about toxic chemicals, but do you really know how dangerous they can be?
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Wow.
It's time for a challenge, a test of knowledge, a game of destiny.
Introducing the ball of questions.
Here's how it works. We'll pass this ball around and whoever catches it must answer a toxic chemical question. Get it right, you survive. Get it wrong, well, that's to say you might need a chemical detox.
Just watch it. You in the audience are the ones playing this game.
So, who's ready to test their science skills and prove their emotional intelligence? Before ka mag-proceed, Anis, nasa ko i-introduce. Topic is toxic chemicals. So every day we are exposed to various chemicals. Some are beneficial, but some are harmful. So first na ko ipakuan is kani sino kailangan baking soda. Okay. So baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate. So commonly known as baking soda, it is used in cooking, cleaning, and as an antacid. It is generally regarded as safe and has various household applications. But taking large amount of baking soda can also rupture the stomach. So, napoy ka ng uban nga ang sodium bicarbonate is pinahimo ko nilang tablet. So, gamit na sila for regulating attack sa acidity ganit sa stomach. That is sodium bicarbonate. Next is alcohol. So, alcohol contains ethanol found in alcoholic beverages and used as a solvent and disinfectant. Inhaling ethanol vapor can lead to irritation of the nose and throat, resulting in coughing or irritation of the respiratory system. So, improper usage, mo din siya ang kanang primary nga kalaban sa kanilang mga products, especially kung household siya mga products ko. Next is kanin, toothpaste. Alright. Tama, it's Yulin. So toothpaste contains sodium fluoride. So often added to toothpaste and drinking water. Sodium fluoride helps prevent dental cavities and strengthen tooth enamel. So, di ba makabantay ta kay ginapaluha jud sa tuwa ang kanang toothpaste ganit. So, nagpatay na siya kanang sodium fluoride. Next is nail polish. So, nail polish contains phthalates. So, phthalates are often found in plastics and personal care products. Research has linked phthalates to hormonal disruption and developmental issues in children. So, careful ta sa ito, especially sa katong mga nagapag ganit, gamit ng nail polish. Yes. Next is cosmetics. Other cosmetics pa rin dami kay powder. So, powder contains formaldehyde. Used in various household products, formaldehyde can be toxic at high concentrations, has been associated with respiratory issues and cancer risks. So next is paints. So paints contains polychlorinated biphenyls. So our PCBs. So PCBs are, although banned siya, these chemicals linger in the environment and have been linked to serious health effects including cancer and neurological problems. So, makabantay ta nga mga paper or mga kanang gapintal gani is gagamit din sila gas mask Because in due time, kung gagamit ito sila everyday or frequent ka, makakause siya o ka ng cancers o ka neurological problems. So, before tayo proceed, hatag naman ko na other examples no. So, so, kasi, wala akong explain kanina nga, pag-araw ninyo siya, ano sa kanang isa matungnan sa pag-cause sa medicine. Siya, master aning natural pinanel. So, mag-start na dire.
Nasabtan na nila.
Ano ito? Kasabot mo sa kuhan. Labi, no? Sumali. Ana? Ay, ikaw yung mga start.
Hindi randomize. Hindi ka muna na. Sige, login kaya lang yun. Login sa matulog. What exactly is a toxic chemical?
Ito ang ipakita kanina examples sa mga products na contains of toxic chemicals. So, may isa pa mga introduction sa imong general knowledge.
Toxic chemicals generally are things that are harmful to the human, to anything that it is exposed to.
Tama. So, toxic chemical, what exactly is toxic chemical? A toxic chemical is any substance that can cause harm to humans, animals, or the environment. So, toxicity depends on dose, exposure time, and how the chemicals interact with biological systems. So, katulad makita ganun na examples is, nandun siya sa ato everyday life ganun. So, magdepende siya sa, may mo siyang toxic kung mali atong usage sa product or sa pagka ng storage niya. Magkuha na siya, mag-wash out. So, next is, there are 3 types of toxic chemicals. Ay, toxicants sila. So, there are several types of toxicants based on their region and effect. So, the first one is chemical toxicants. So, these toxicants, chemical toxicants are heavy metals such as lead and mercury, industrial kami lead, mercury o pesticides. So may siya example sa chemical toxicants. The next type of toxicants is biological toxicants. So it is a bacteria-produced toxins of venoms from animals. So, kato si COVID-19, ano sa example sa biological toxicants. Next is physical toxicants such as radiation, asbestos. Si asbestos is makita na siya sa kanang tin galing, kanang cement-like na gasin. Roofing. So, particulate matter in air pollution, so pollution. The next is may isa rin kadula. So, manawag ay magungnan nila ay mo sa kaninang question. So, present ko 3 types of toxicants ganit. So, based atong explanation, which type of toxicants do you think poses the greatest threat to human health and why? So, nasa katong solo, si chemical, si biological, o si physical. So, manapit. Ang matungnan namin mo, ang buwan ng sira.
Swerte!
Ay! Si Becca Freya Lavijoy. Yan, kanan. Sa iyo hanggang sa mga type of toxicants causes greatest risk to human health. Yung answer si biological daw. But then, si biological ang madalang mag-spread. Body effort. Ngita pataglaan. Ulat lang hanggang kung matungnan ka lang na. Si Diva Katina. Same question.
I think it's chemical toxicants.
Why?
Okay. What na siya? Kasi pwede sa mas makainit para na po mas gusto yung mga lawat. Kasi na siya kuha ko.
Tama niya ang answer. Ay, chemical toxicants. Why? Chemical toxicants are dugay siya mag-linger ganit sa environment. So, dili na siya at the moment na may tabo sa tuha. Same po sila ni biological toxicants na gusto po lang spread. Pero si chemical toxicants mag-travel sa ato ang food. Kaya especially kung mag-bump siya sa ato ang sa waters na ito nga atong ginakuan mo kanang pag-inom nila. The next is how toxic chemicals enter the environment. So, kanina ako mga topics is kuha na siya kanang sa surface kami, pero ang i-discuss siya sa mga report, ay discuss sa further sa mga reporters. So first, kaya ang industrial waste and pollution. So manya to ang patong mag-travel siya sa ato ang ating aquas. Sa itong drinking waters, sa mga irrigation system gani. So ato ang possible mga crops nato is contaminated na po siya. Dili lang kaya ang ato ang main source of food of water. Next is agricultural use. So, aside from kato irrigation nga problem is na po siya ikato sa industrial mga plants ko nato sa agricultural use. So, yeah, pesticide nga toxic po na siya. Next, kaya household products. So, makabantay mo nga dili dito basta-basta mag-mix of mga panel cleaning materials, especially kung enclosed ang atong space na ginalimpyuhan. So, dapat pa siya well ventilated if naamoy ka ipamix ng mga chemicals. Next, ay ang improper waste disposal. So, kani mag-linger man din siya kay since improper waste man siya ng disposal siya na. Oh. Dili siya ma-recycle or dili siya matutukan o kanang breakdown ba. Next kay si Dr. Arnold Diman, so man siya ang ako inspiration for this report. So, si Dr. Arnold Diman is a pioneer of American toxicology. So, siya ang one of the person nga nganong na strict regulations gani in terms of packaging sa ato mga foods and drugs na ginatangkilik karon. So, na siya nakita nga gap or kanang damage gani dira nga maka-cause of contaminants sa ato ang kanang foods o sa kanang drugs nga kung gina-use. Drugs nga dili kanang nalo sa mga pharmacy and such. So why should we care about toxic chemicals? First, kaya ang health impacts na to sa iya. So primary din na siya problem no. So toxic chemicals can lead to chronic diseases such as katong cancer. Next, kaya ang environmental consequences. So mali siya ang isudod kayo mitigate. Since kay dili lang man kita ko lang na initiative na buhaton na hindi dapat kita dugtanan. Next kaya economic cost, it can cause financial burden. Kanang so next reporter natin.